Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap to the personalizations. Here you'll see the always on display. Click here once, and just to activate it you should click once on that switcher. We can here also set the date status, the battery status, and the notifications from different applications. Also we can switch to display the AOD and power saving mode, just shadow and all day. Then just click here to save, and now let's just go back to the lock screen. Let's just lock the device, and we can see that the always on display feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.